Hello everyone, welcome once again in online class. Um, Today we will discuss activity based on chapter 2. Okay, different activity based on chapter 2. So first activity is, our first activity is name the following. Name the following. First is, all activity do in A4 size sheet and submit and collect in folder. Cluster of roots. Second one is kitchen of the plant. Kitchen of plants. Third one is green substance present in leaves. Fourth one is tiny hole present on lower surface of leaf. Leaf. Fifth one is a flower turn into, so first listen to properly. First you take one screenshot and then listen to me properly. First is cluster of root. Cluster of root is fibrous root. Answer is fibrous root. Second one is kitchen of the plant. Kitchen of the plant and food factory of the plant is leaf. Green substance. Third one is green substance present in leaves. Green substance. So answer is chlorophyll. And fourth one is tiny holes present on lower surface of leaf is called stomata. And fifth one is a flower turn into, flower काय में turn होता है, flower turn into fruit. One activity is complete. Let me start next activity. Activity second. Activity second do in next A4 size sheet. Write the part of leaf. Okay, first you will be draw one leaf diagram. First is in middle region one vein are present is called middle vein. And in side region veins are present are called side veins. And one portion are cut into and अगर इसको हम माइक्रोस्कोप में देखें तो इसमें टाइनी पोर्स आर प्रेजेंट इज कॉल्ड स्टोमेटा. एंड फोर्थ वन इज स्टॉक. स्टॉक वो पोर्शन होता है जो कि स्टेम से जुड़ा रहता है, अटैच्ड विद स्टेम. अंडरस्टैंड? सेकंड एक्टिविटी इज कंप्लीट. Activity third, which part are part of plant are missing in following diagram. फॉलोइंग डायग्राम में जो पार्ट मिसिंग है उसका राइट देयर नेम. अंडरस्टैंड? root is present, stem is present, leaf is present, flower is present. So which one is missing? Which one missing? Fruit is missing. Yes. Answer is fruit is missing. Fruit इसमें miss है ना. In this diagram fruit are miss. Third activity complete. Fourth activity. and assemble them according to the position. In this activity, take two A4 size sheet. One A4 size sheet is yellow, या colorful, any colorful sheets. Take one sheet, and one is white sheet, A4 size sheet. And white A4 size sheet is cut into 4 equal parts. And every part and draw part of plants and assemble them according to their position. Understand? First sheet. Firstly you take one sheet, colorful sheet, and write their names, write the activity, parts of plant. Understand? Pass their slip firstly. Then next is paste flower. Then after stem. Then after leaf. Okay, and then after roots. Understand? All are understand? I hope you understand this activity and enjoy this activity. Okay. Every slip are placed properly in the colorful sheet, on colorful sheet. Thank you.